So we have seen UT script template and SIT script template and function specification of form and report, how we can prepare the layout, and also we prepared how RF application we prepare. And okay, this is realization. In the realization, then we give the training. We have to prepare the training manual. Okay, then training manuals will be given to the users. We have to give the training to the users, how to split SU and how to receive, how to create transfer orders from the inbound delivery, and how to confirm, okay, how the stock is getting updated. All the functionalities we need to teach to that core users. Okay, during this time, what comes technical consultants will do, they will prepare our developments based on our function specifications. If they get any questions, they will ask us and we have to clarify them, and we will give the inputs and they develop the program. And once the program is developed, we do the testing, and if the testing is fine, for example, we do the testing of for this activity. You need to test in destination storage bin. You have to give something the bin which is not available in LAGP table, and system should throw error, bin is not available in the system. You should not wait until confirm button. You should what you call validation should be done when you input itself. Okay, and also the confirm button should not be opened until the split quantity is entered. For example, if they don't enter any split quantity, system should throw error, enter split quantity. So confirm button should not work until the mandatory fields are given. So if the user doesn't give any storage type and bin, if you click confirm, then system will, based on whatever strategy, system itself will identify all the data, all the storage types available, and then it will generate the transfer order for doing that activity. So this is how we can prepare RF program reports or forms. Okay, these kind of different things we have discussed here.